Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In today's video we'll discuss the top careers for Life Path 11. Your life path number, according to numerology, provides a blueprint for living. It provides insight into your personality as well as how you could handle your profession, relationships, and even your hobbies. All you need is a date of birth to learn your life path number, and 11 is yours. The double-digit digits 11, 22, and 33 have tremendous significance in numerology. These are known as master numbers, and while they are not better than single-digit life routes, they do contain a lot of energy. This can provide 11s with more opportunities in life than they realize, but it may come at a cost. Negative energy that radiates inwards might occasionally materialize as an emotional problem. You can, however, count yourself fortunate to have master number 11 in your numerology chart. Master numbers are thought to have a greater vibration or more potential than other life path numbers. If you want to discover more about numerology, spiritual growth, and become part of a collective spiritual awakening journey, please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell notification. It will help you understand your soul purpose and divine destiny in this lifetime. According to numerology, the number 11 is extremely strong and has various meanings. Because life path 11s are 1 + 1 = 2, they have the sensitive, empathetic, and peacemaking qualities of life path 2s but with a spiritual component. Master number 11 is very perceptive to the point of displaying psychic abilities, and frequently dabbles in spiritual or metaphysical issues. It also has the power of the number 1 multiplied by 2. In numerology, the energies of 1 and 2 are diametrically opposed. The number 1 is masculine and self-centered, whereas the number 2 is feminine and other-centered. When these energies are combined into one master number, internal conflicts might arise. As one of the master numbers, 11 carries a tremendous amount of energy, yet on first glance, you'd be excused for missing it, because they reside in the domain of the psyche introspectively. They might look quiet and introverted. While 11s may have an airy aspect, they are always straddling two worlds. Their highly developed intuition enables them to see beyond the realm of physical sight. This can take the shape of thoughts and knowledge from another planet that flow easily to the number 11. Because of your vitality, you readily inspire people. The good news is that 11s don't have to do anything. Simply being yourself is enough to provide illumination. This portal to another realm bestows 11s with out-of-this-world insights to manifest here on Earth, making them very creative. This master number was found in the numerology charts of many inventors and other creative and spiritual personalities. This may create the idea that 11s are spiritual beings with little obstacles in life. However, this is incorrect. Number 11s must learn how to channel this powerful energy. Otherwise, their increased reflection may lead to self-criticism. It's as if 11s have been given a gift that comes with no instructions. They will need to spend several years maturing before they can perform their assigned role. All the while, they're probably feeling like a fish out of water, like they don't fit in anywhere, and everyone can tell. After all, no one will ever know or comprehend the philosophical substance of the brains of the 11. While 11s may be late bloomers, when they do, they are bound for greatness. They may not achieve success until they reach middle age. This inner understanding of immense potential can lead to dissatisfaction and a sense of being lost. All of this perplexity, along with intense contemplation, might result in sadness. Many 11s will be worried beings throughout their early development. They must accept their sensitivity and avoid being crushed by the vastness of their potential. To discover what and how you will manifest your dreams into being, consult the other numbers in your numerology chart. You also have a soul urge, destiny, and personality number to consider when learning about your life path. It will reveal your gifts, talents, strengths, and potential. In numerology, number 11 seconds are extremely intuitive, inspirational, creative, and innovative, team players, highly sensitive, and clever. On the shadow side, 11 seconds can be self-critical, self-conscious, overly self-reflective, prone to depression and anxiety, vulnerable to stress, addicted. Fulfillment is the job path for 11s in numerology. Pursuing their purpose is their life mission. And many may have a gut feeling about what employment will make them happy. However, self-doubt and dread plague 11s, which can cause them to lose sight of their vision. They may believe they lack the talents to pursue a certain job, or their society favors materialism. The number 11 is endowed with innate healing qualities. As a result, they are successful in therapeutic occupations such as counseling and massage. Their mission is to cure mankind, but this does not restrict them to dealing with individuals directly. Because of their sensitivity and ingenuity, they are typically artistic, and they may find healing via employment in the arts. 11s may be found working as musicians, painters, or authors. Celebrities who share 11 as their life path include Bill Clinton, Ronald Reagan, Michelle Obama, Nelson Mandela, Halle Berry, Anthony Hopkins, 50 Cent, or Whoopi Goldberg. Number 11 seconds are motivated by spiritual rather than material factors. Traditional success holds no appeal for them. They simply require a small sum of money to follow their passions. Medicine, education, and even coaching are all worthwhile careers for 11s. 11s, like 2s, are excellent mediators, making them ideal for work in international relations or as interpreters. This ability makes them extremely employable in general. While professional success is not high on the priority list for 11s, it may be a tremendous remedy to their anxiety and depression. A meaningful endeavor may both ground them in reality and advance them on their spiritual path. Number 11s have a great appreciation for beauty and love and perhaps require time spent in nature. You'll generally find them enjoying a lengthy walk in the woods, frequently on their own, so they can reflect. You could also discover them meditating or practicing yoga, even better if it's outside, or engaging in other similarly peaceful activities. They also like spending hours philosophizing and conversing with others who share their interests. The biggest journey for number 11 will be within. However, they may also choose to visit spiritually significant locations in the actual world. Being one of the master numbers is not without its difficulties. 11 must dig deep and gain the guts to realize their dreams in the world if they are to achieve pleasure and fulfillment on their path. Their extreme sensitivity might cause a stressed-out nervous system. Following a healthy diet and finding amicable situations may be more important than other life pathways for 11. Physical activities such as jogging, yoga, and volunteering might help to channel some of that excess nervous strain. According to numerology, number 11s may have had a rough start. They may not have had a loving family, or even one that recognized their sensitivity. Finally, 11s will learn to transmute their childhood scars into a healing presence for others. That is why they are called as the wounded healer in numerology. As 11s, you might have trust issues. Trust is a critical part of any relationship. If you have faith in God and the universe, and most importantly in yourself, you'll be unstoppable. There are many reasons why someone might not trust co-workers. They might be concerned that their co-workers are conspiring against them, or just assume that trusting co-workers is not that important. The assumption that most other individuals may be trusted is referred to as generalized trust. It can have an impact on one's capacity to trust other individuals, groups, organizations, and governments. According to research, a range of factors promote generalized trust, including culture, social interaction experiences throughout life, and media influences. While it can be a challenging emotional undertaking, it is possible to overcome problems with trust. Here are a few trust-building strategies you can use. It is essential to have enough confidence in people to let them into your life and, in certain situations, to forgive them for mistakes. Taking your time with it may sometimes be beneficial. If you find yourself wanting to trust too fast, it may be necessary to take a step back and gradually build up to that level of trust again. People who struggle with trust frequently need control. This can occasionally emerge as distrustful conduct. If you don't have perfect control over every circumstance, you may feel deceived or taken advantage of. However, in the long term, this will only harm your relationships. Learning how much power you should give up in a specific scenario is essential for developing trust with others. One of the best ways to practice trust is to trust yourself. This doesn't mean you should never question yourself or your choices. It just means that you should build a stronger self-awareness that can help guide your judgments and interactions with others. Practicing mindfulness is one strategy that can be helpful. When you utilize mindfulness, you are able to become more aware of how you are feeling in the present moment without worrying about the past and future. Master number 11's finest profession alternatives will be mediators, scientists, leaders, spiritual leaders, counselors, instructors, artists such as authors, musicians, actors, and philosophers, or even in medicine. You may be a good public speaker while also being fluent in several languages. You can also be a great philanthropist or diplomat. This is an enigmatic number. If it is your birth or life path number, you should strive to be a spiritual guru, spiritual healer, medico, or something along those lines. If you are not interested in such jobs, consider becoming a negotiator, mediator, ambassador, diplomat, public relations officer, consultant, matchmaker, salesperson, dealer, or anything similar. Working as a creative artist, architect, fashion designer, creative writer, performing artist, doctor, teacher, trainer, public speaker, counselor, life coach, or motivator is another option. You can even become a superb performing artist, such as an actress or musician. Always remember, no matter what you do, if possible, try to combine your spiritual path with your career path. This will ground you and give you a sense of fulfillment. If you can't combine those two, find balance in your spare time. There are many options for you. To get a better understanding, always consider also your soul urge number, or in general your 5 core numbers in numerology. It will give you some further insights and a much better definition of your life purpose and destiny. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.